Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2016 Ford Kuga Ambiente, stock reference number 5534. This shape runs from the 11th month 2014 through to the 9th month 2016. It has a 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, backed by an automatic all-drive transmission. 1.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left-hand fog light, left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left tailgate garnish, right tailgate garnish. Tailgate has 2 small dents. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack Ford audio control panel, Ford audio display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.